We have the Tooter. Create realistic farting sounds. Why? Why did I buy this? Why? Well, let's take it out. Realistic. Hold the tutor in your hand with the hole pressed against your palm. Squeeze with your fingers. Practice positioning your little tutor in different areas of your palm for perfect pitch toot. Perfect tooting is an art form, so be sure to keep practicing. Okay. Okay, so hold the hole in the palm of my hand, and I have to squeeze it. I have to squeeze it with my fingers. Oh, okay. What is going on? Dude, this thing's a bust. Wait, where do you... Oh. Look at my face. It looks like I'm actually farting. What is this? No. Oh, come on. I can do a better one with my armpit. I don't know where that went.